And right. Feeding the birds. Very important at this time of year. Let's see. They're eating up everything. So let's see if I can do this right. Oh, let's see. Okay. Hello. Happy New Year. I'm just about to get some wood for inside because it's winter now, as you can see. So this is me getting pieces of wood, sharing a little from my life. As you can hear, my voice isn't very good, which is why I haven't put out more audio recordings of my book, because I don't have the voice for it yet, but it will come back, of course. So what I want to say is Happy New Year! Happy New Year so much, and thank you for supporting me. I do have plans for this month, January. I'm working on a big lecture about Idunn, the goddess of, well, as I will talk about, what is she the goddess of, really? Youth? It's more than that, it's really mysterious, and I am looking so forward to sharing with you what I know about Idunn when my voice is working again. So, Happy New Year, thank you for supporting me, and bye bye.